Yes, this one is over. Now, come down, ma'am, and open this. Open the Word document, ma'am, and go to the electronic bank statement configurations. The electronic bank statement configurations. All of you, please try to explain the MT940 format. Okay, transactional things. Okay, and what are the types that are there? One, and what is the type for the closing balance? What is the type for the date? What is the type for the opening balances? In okay, you should try to give the proper clarity. Okay, to the interviewer. Then they will going to understand that okay, this person has much knowledge on the electronic bank statements and all. Okay, they will just ask you those questions, all of you, definitely. And out of the syllabus also, they will going to ask you. Come down, ma'am. Go to the configurations. Okay, right. So come down. Configurations things will be there. Configurations. Electronic bank statement configurations. Go to the Word document. Come down. Go up. Go up. We have written the configurations. These are the electronic bank statements. Can you try to give the enter, ma'am? Yes, come down. Yes. See, all of you, to execute the each and every electronic bank statements configurations, okay, to or else in any systems or in cloud servers or in offline servers and all, we should have proper clarity. And what are the things that we are going to do? See, you no need to do anything. You no need to do anything. Okay, all of you. So you just need to have the proper points on the particular electronic bank statements. That means creation of the GL accounts are very, very important. And creation of the house banks are very, very important. And creation of the accounting symbols. I mean, in OT83 transaction code, you will going to have a lot of accounting symbols. In OT83 transaction code only, you will going to find out the assign accounts to the accounting symbols, assign, I mean, create keys to the postings rules and define posting rules and create transaction type, create vendor master records and customer master records. Okay, and posting invoice to the particular vendor using transaction code FB60, posting invoice to the particular customer using transaction code FB70, and electronic bank statements of execution using transaction code FF_5. These are the just simple configurations. But the thing is that when you do one mistake, automatically it will be reflected to the global parameters. Okay, definitely. And global, in the global report only, it will going to have the much records. Okay. I mean, much, I think so, deleted records and all, it will be there. And you need to revise that records and all. And again, you need to run that electronic bank statements and all. Okay. So that is the very, very important point. Okay. So let's try to get into this creation of the GL accounts, that is electronic bank statement configurations. Okay, go to the FS00 transaction code, ma'am. Go to the FS00 transaction code and we will try to create the GL accounts. Okay, So under this current assets only, okay, current assets, loans and advances only, we can able to create the main bank EBS account. Main bank EBS account. Okay, so main bank account is nothing but our organization main bank account. Whatever the transfers that we are doing, whatever the incoming payments that we are getting. So all will be debited or credited to our organization. Okay, so that is very, very important, right? Okay, then next one. Go to the control tab, ma'am. So in this thing, currency is INR, only balances in local currency, and line item display, and short key is 001. Okay, what are the obligatory accounts? Okay, field status group is a Z005. Okay, click on the enter, go to the save button and save. And next one, next bank account is outgoing. Uh, Next account is outgoing bank account. You can just give the account group as current assets and loans, ma'am. And then next one, this one is balance sheet account. And short text is a outgoing bank EBS account. And you can just write down like this, ma'am. OUT space, GNG space, BANK space, EBS space, account AC. OUT space, GNG space, BANK space, EBS space, AC. Just try to write down total thing, outgoing bank EBS account. Oh, okay, good. The next one. So when it comes to the controlling data, only balances in local currencies and the line item display and short key is, there is no any line item display and short key is 001. Automatically it will be. And the create or bank interest is field status group is Z005. And go to the control data. Go to the control data. For this outgoing bank account, go to the control data. Give FS00. Outgoing bank account, go to the control data. Yes, try to edit. And this one is open item management. Go to the save button and save it. Right. So then next one is what we need to do. Under this current assets only, we should give the incoming bank EBS account. Incoming bank EBS account. Incoming bank EBS account. And accounting currency is INR and local balances. and open item management, and sort key is 001, and field status group is Z005. Z005. Okay, then interest we should give it in the bank charges sequence, right? Do we have any interest sequence, ma'am? I'm getting late screens, all of you. Other income is not there. Expenses. Do we have any interest? Give OBD for transaction code, ma'am, and try to find out the interest, whether that one is there or not. Go to the position and give the chart of accounts, and the interest is there, 400. Go to the transaction code 400. Sorry, go to the transaction code FS00 and try to create the GL account with the 400. This is a primary cost or revenue. This is charges, right? So accounting group is a interest, and short text is a bank charges EBS account. And the sort key is 001. See why we are not maintaining the open item management and all. It is not part of the balance sheet account, right? So that is why we are not going to maintain open item for all these things. Okay. Okay. The next one, in this interest only, we should give the another account. The next one is bank charges incoming account. In this thing only.
Sir,
Why it is showing error?
sir.
A cost element category was not specified. Do you want to drop the GL account? Why it is asking? What is the creator bank interest that you have given, ma'am? No. Make an entry in the cost element category field. Go to the creator bank interest. Z001. Good. And next, control data. Remove the balances in local currency, no? Go to the subheader and save it. We haven't done anything, right? Cost element category was not specified. And do you want to lock the GL account for postings?
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, యాక్చువల్గా ప్రాజెక్ట్ 8 అని ఒకటి క్రియేట్ చేశాను సార్.
No issue. You can go. You can just go to the yes. Yes, yes. Go to the save button and yes it. Yes. Okay. The next one. So what we have, the next one is bank charges incoming account. The next same thing in this interest only. You can just create the bank charges incoming account. Bank charges incoming account. And control data, line item display, not the line item display, soft key is 001 and field status group is C001. Field status group is C001. Go to the save button. Yes. No issue. Bank charges CBS account is there. Okay. Then next, what we need to create? Bank charges CBS account is there. Bank charges CBS account is there. Bank charges income charges is there. Okay. Then next, what we need to do is, ma'am, you can just create in this interest only interest charges accounts. Okay. Interest charges accounts. When you are maintaining the balances, automatically amount will be debited, right? Interest charges accounts. Good. In this interest only, you can just interest charges account. Everything is same. Identification information purpose is over and the locking purpose is over. And the creation of the cost things is over. Ma'am, can you go to this block option, ma'am? After the deletion, there is a block option, right? Remove this block for postings. Go to the save button and save it. Make an entry in the cost element category field. But the data contains address you cannot. Okay. Z001. Okay. Remove this thing, ma'am. Remove this thing. and give /n and go to the transaction code OBC4. Go to the transaction code OBC4. Go to the position and give your field status variant. Double click on this field status group. Go to the Z0011. Double click on the material additional account assignments. I mean, check with the cost element category. Double click on general data, ma'am. Double click on general data. Okay, come back. Account assignments. Account assignments. Cost center is an optional entry, no issue. Cost element category. What is the cost element category? Come back. Go to the next thing. Next. Okay, no issue. No worries. Give /n. Go to the FS00 transaction code, ma'am. Go to the FS00 transaction code. Go to the interest. Delete this GL account, ma'am. Delete it, no issue. Delete it. Mark for deletion. In mark for deletion in chart of accounts, mark for deletion in company codes also. Save it. Okay. So the next one, 400401. Select that thing and delete it. Go to the save button and save it. The next one, 400402. Delete it. Give /n, ma'am, and go to the transaction code FS00 once again. FS00. And open this interest. It is not. Select this thing and go to the delete option. Delete it and again click on the delete option. It's not saving. And go to the edit option, ma'am. Go to the edit option. Delete it. Delete the things, ma'am. Delete it. And it is marked for the deletion. And it is marked for the company code deletion. Go to the save button. Why it is not deleting? Continue. Okay. Give /n. Go to the transaction code FS00 once again. Open the interest. It is okay. It will take some time. No issue. Double click on this 400. Double click on this 400. Go to the change option, ma'am. Control data. Open the cost element category, ma'am. Once again. Cost element category. Give primary cost element or reducing revenues, ma'am. Go to the save button and save it. Okay, this data was saved. Okay, I'm just taking, see why, because we have created the project cost element categories elements implementation, right? So that is why it is just asking the things. Remove the mark for deletion and mark for deletion for the company codes also. Go to the save button and save it. Same thing for the bank charges incomings also, and same for the interest charges accounts. Okay, everything is perfect, right? Good, no issue, no. Give /n, give /n. No worries. Okay, so we have created a 6 bank accounts. Okay, I mean not the bank. 3 is the main bank accounts, and the 3 is for the bank charges, incomings account, bank charges accounts, and also interest bank accounts and on. Okay, so remove this mark for deletions and on. Then next one is, and mark as an entry as cost element category. Okay, good. No. Remove this thing. Go to this control data. Give the cost element category. I think so. We have created the standard cost center standard hierarchy, but we haven't done any configurations, right? Why? Because we need to have the product costing concept. Okay, then only we can able to do it. Okay, now it is fine, right? Then next, what is the next configuration? What is the next configuration? Okay, creations of the house banks using transaction code FI12. Go to the transaction code FI12. Go to the transaction code FI12. Okay, good. So now what we need to do, so we need to create the house banks, right? So take out the company code, ma'am, and go to the house banks and new entries and create one house bank, that is EBS. EBS1 you can just take out, ma'am. House bank is EBS1 and the bank entry is IN and bank key is 12345. And go to the save button, ma'am. Yes, give the bank name for main bank account. Just give it main bank accounts and all. Just give the main bank account and the region and the street and the region and the street. And go to the save button and save. Then next, go to the bank accounts, ma'am. Yes, continue. Go to the create bank accounts, ma'am. Yes. And give the user ID and passwords and all. And try to create one house bank accounts. Opening date is 15.08.2023 and give your company code, ma'am. Directly you can just keep it, no issue. DUR1. Just give the bank entry and bank key is 12345 and just give the bank account number also, ma'am. Give it 8377 930 837. Good. And give the account description. Give the account description. And account type is a current account or anything. Go to that drop down option, current account. And everything is fine, right? Save the details, ma'am. Go to the house bank connectivity. Go to the edit option, ma'am. Add. Yes. And house bank account. EBS 1. Good. The next one. Connect this GL account, ma'am. No need to have alternative bank account number. Just connect this GL account also. Go to the drop down option, ma'am. Automatically you will going to find out. Give the GL account here. Oh. I think so. What is that GL account? 2000109. Huh? Go to the FS00 transaction code. 2000109. Yes. 2000109. Good. Can you come down, ma'am? There is no any identification. Control key is no need to give anything. Control key is IN. Just save the details. So this bank account has been updated. Okay. So with the help of GL accounts and all, okay, see the things all of you. House bank is EBS1, house bank account is EBS1, and valid from 15/08/2023 to valid to so number of years. Okay. So remove this thing now. Yes, close this thing, close this tab. Okay, right. So go to this FI12 mom and give /n. Give /n. No. Every time you just need to give the /n. Give /n. And once again, come back to the FI12 transaction code. Select the thing and go to the house banks and select your house bank and go to the bank accounts. Yes, read access only. So this bank account has been generated, all of you. Okay, in SAP S4 HANA system, EBS is different, right? Okay, and you need to create the house banks in a cloud server. Okay, so these things are mandatory in SAP system first of all. Okay, and whatever the GL accounts that we are maintaining and all, and if you want to maintain the different GL accounts for this thing, and I mean, if the bank accounts are changed, so what will happen? So you will just maintain the different bank accounts, right? So using maintain bank account options. Okay, there is an option and that will be redirected to the cloud service. Okay, so that is the very important point. Okay, this is the way you can able to create the house banks and linked with the a particular main bank account. Okay, so I'm going to just stop this recording, all of you.